Hi children. Hi. Very good morning to all. Thank you. I hope you all are doing homework and classwork regularly, right? Yes, yesterday was Sunday, then what you are doing? Simply playing? Okay, only play a little time but do the classwork and homework regularly, okay? Okay. I am taking class now for first standard students. I am taking class for first standard student, math subject. Which subject? Math subject, second chapter. Addition and subtraction up to 10. Addition and subtraction up to 10. Already we learnt, is it? Addition, abacus on addition on the number line. Already we studied in our last class. Now I want to teach a subtraction. I want to teach you subtraction. Subtraction, it indicates by minus sign. We call it as minus sign. This is minus sign. What do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means that the things or numbers which are given, that we should less. How? I will show you now. If Divya having 5 chocolates. How many chocolates? 5 chocolates. She ate among 5, 3 chocolates she ate. See, 5 minus 3. 5 chocolates. How many she is having? 5 chocolates. How many she is having? 5 chocolates, right? So Divya is having a 5 chocolates here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chocolates she is having. She ate among 5, 3 chocolates she ate already. 3 chocolates she ate means we should strike it out. 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolates she already ate. How many left here? 1, 2. Answer is 2 here. 2 chocolates she is having. Who is having? Divya is having a 3 chocolates. Minus sign is used for doing subtracting the numbers. This is a minus sign. We call it as minus. This is addition, plus. We call it as plus. In hospitals, outside board you are seeing plus sign, no? That is a plus, addition. Understood? Like this we have to subtract the given numbers. So next example we will see. Next, see, there are 6 candles. 6 candles. Draw now 6 candles. Six candles. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In these 6 candles, okay, I will blow 2 candles. I will blow off 2 candles. Blow off means I will blow off 2 candles. See, 1, 2. How many left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4 candles left. How many candles? 4 candles left. Understood? Like this you have to do the subtraction. See. I will show you another example. If your mummy gave 3 chocolates to you. How many chocolates? 3 chocolates. Your mummy gave you 3 chocolates. And she told to give 1 chocolate to your sister. Give to your sister. 3 chocolates are there. How many chocolates? 3 chocolates. Mummy gave you 3 chocolates. In that, 1 you are giving to your sister. 1 you gave to your sister. How many left? 2 chocolates. Remaining 2 chocolate. We call it, this number we call it as difference. We call it as difference. Means you are having 3 chocolates. Your mummy gave 3 chocolates. In that, 1 you gave to your sister. Okay. How many left? 2 chocolates left with you. Understood? Same. This is a way to subtraction. Okay. Shall I give some more examples to you? Or shall I give some more numbers to you? See here. There are 8 apples are there. How many apples? 8 apples. Draw 8 apples. Okay. How many apples are there? 8 apples are there. Eight apples are there. Six, 7, 8. How many apples are there? 8 apples are there. Among 8 apples, I will eat 4 apples. I will eat 4 apples. I will eat 4 apples. I will eat 4 apples means strike out 4 apples here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I ate here 4 apples. Among 8 apples, I ate 4 apples. How much left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples left with me. Is it how many apples? 4 apples left with me. Understood? Like this you have to subtract the number. See the page number 103. See page number 103. 103. Will you do? Subtract 1 from each the number. Subtract 1 from each number. I will show you, see. First is 3 minus 1. Next 4 minus 1. Next how much? 6 minus 1. 3 minus 1. See, take your fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are there. Minus 1, it is a minus symbol, means we should subtract here. So, minus 1 means I will close one hand, one finger. See, 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer is 2. Next, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, how we are subtracting? Open 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are there. Minus 1 means minus we should do. Then close one finger here. Only one is there, I am closing only one finger, see. Remaining how many fingers? 1, 2, 3. So, answer is 3. Next, 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. If you are confusing by counting in a fingers means just you draw a strikes here. 6 means 6 strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 strikes are there. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 strikes. Minus 1. Minus 1 means we should strike out minus 1. How many strikes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the answer is 5. 5 strikes left here. Understood? Like this you should do in your class work. Understood? Next, subtracting 0 from the given number. Subtracting 0 from the given number. If the given number is 3, 0 minus 0. Say, if your mummy gives 3 chocolates to you, but you are not eating, you are keeping it in a bag. Is it? Then how many left? The answer is 3. Okay, answer is 3. Next, I will give you 1 apple. You are not giving to anybody. I said you to give your sister, but you are not giving this apple to your sister. Then how many left? 1 only. Is it? If your sister having 3 pencils. If your sister having 3 pencils with her. You are asking 1 pencil to your sister, but she is not giving to you. Then answer minus 0. She is not giving to you. She is not at all giving to you. So, answer is 3 minus 0 is answer same. She having 3 pencils with her. Understood? If you are subtracting the given number by 0, you are getting the same answer. Understood? Next. Next, if the given number is 3, again the minus subtraction, how we are subtracting the numbers with the same numbers. See, subtracting the given number itself. Given number is itself means the same number 3, 3. Mummy gave 3 apples to you. How many apples? Mummy gave 3 apples to you. You ate all the 3 apples. You ate all apples. All apples you ate. Then how many remains? 0. You are not having any apples with you, right? This is a number subtracting by its same number itself. If you are taking 8, again by itself only you are minusing means see. Subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. Next, see here. 5 minus 5. The given number subtracting by the same number, we are getting answer 0. Understood? Yes, you should do like this only. Next, we move on subtracting by a number line. Subtracting by a number line. See. Addition by number line you already know, right? Now, subtracting by a number line. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Subtracting by a given number. See the first one. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. The given number 8 minus 3 we should do here. 8. Where is 8 here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3. Minus 3 means we should come back. We should come back side. See, minus 3 means see. Here 1, 2, 3. The answer is 5. Why I took here? See, 8 minus 3. Minus 3 means I took here this place. This is a, here we call it as 7 to 8, 1. 6 to 7, 2. 5 to 6, 3. Means 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 places I took here. Is it 8 minus 3 is 5. Understood? Next, the next number is 9 minus 2. Next you have to subtract 9 minus 2. I want to show you another method how to subtract by a number line. This is a number line. Number line. Number line. See, 9 minus 2. Then how you are subtracting? You are having 9 chocolates with you. Already 2 eaten by you only. Then how many remainings? Among 9 chocolates, you ate 2 chocolates. 7. The answer is 7 chocolates you are having. 7 chocolates you are having. Then how you are subtracting in a number line? See, total 9. From 0 to 9 you draw the line like this. 9. From 0 to 9. First number is 9. So, I drawn here from 0 to 9. Minus 2. Minus 2 means come back. 2 places. 1, 2. The answer is 7 here. The answer is 7. Understood? So, next take another example. Next take another example. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. See now 7 minus 5 how you are subtracting? See 7 fingers you open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. Among 7 fingers, I want to less 5 fingers. Means close 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 2. Only 2 fingers left over here. See 7 minus 5 is 2. How you are subtracting in a number line? First number is, you know that 7. From 0 to 7 you take. 0 to 7. Next, 5 means we should less, then we should come back. Come back the 5 number. See, 7 before number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Answer is 2. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should reduce. Come back side. If the first number is 7, second number is 5, then you should read backward number for 5. See 7 minus 5 means, see I wrote here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 5 means read back side. 1, 7 minus, 7 before number 6, 6 before number 5, 5 before number 4, 4 before number 3, 3 before number 2. So the difference is answer 2. Understood? So this is a subtraction from a number line. Then now we go to abacus part. How to subtract in a abacus? See here. Abacus. Abacus. How to subtract a abacus? First one, 7 minus 3. I told you to draw tens place, ones place in a abacus chart. Now 7 minus 3. This is not addition. First you draw 7 beads. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? First number is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 3 means you strike out the 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Strike out 3 beads on ones place. How many remaining beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Understood? So, I will show you next example. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. How we are drawing? Take abacus chart. Ones and tens you write the place. 9 minus 3. 9 beads you draw in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads are there. So, first number is 9. I drawn here 9 beads. Among 9, minus 3. This is not addition. So, minus means we should strike out the minus. Strike out 3. 1, 2, 3 beads. Strike out 3 beads. So, count the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6. The answer is 6. Like this you should do an abacus. Will you do? Yes or no? Tell me. I will send through WhatsApp, okay? Just to write down in classwork. So, next, subtraction. How to subtract the numbers? By counting. By counting method. See. See now, how to subtract the numbers. First is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. By counting. Counting means what? To subtract 2 from 5, keep the smaller number, that is 2 in a mind. Then start counting from 2 to 5, opening one finger from one count. After 2, count till 5, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. See now, how you are writing? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 by counting means count the fingers now. First open 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers are there. Minus 2 means we should close 2 fingers here. 1, 2. Remaining how many fingers? 1, 2, 3. So, the answer is 3. Subtract like this. Okay. Next is 9 minus 6. Just I am taking the examples. 9 minus 6. If you are disturbing to count by fingers, then you take here strikes. See, 9 means I am drawing here 9 strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Minus 6 means I will strike out 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then remaining 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. Understood? So, next number 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. How you are subtracting 8 minus 6? Draw 8 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads are there, right? Among 8, you should subtract 6 beads. I will strike 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining beads, answer is 2. Answer is 2. Like this, you should subtract the number by counting method, okay? Next, I think will you do 100 and page number 106. You should write in a classwork. Understood? And next subtract the following 108. 108. Subtract the following. Okay. Write in classwork. Full you should complete. Okay. This is a completion of the second chapter. Addition and subtraction up to 10. For first standard students. Okay. All these notes just write down in classwork neatly and show me one day. Thank you.